In this video, we are going to see that if you want to connect the League of Legends to your Discord account, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, just click on the bottom right hand corner where it says you. And then on the top right, you will see this gear icon. Just click on that. And from here, you will scroll down under account settings section where it says connections. Here, all the popular apps are available for you to connect directly into Discord. It says connect your accounts to access Discord integrations. So it will connect it via API. Just click on plus 18 and you will see all the popular applications here. Here is the League of Legends. Just click on that. It will redirect you to the login screen where we just have to sign in using a username and password. And you can also connect it with Xbox, PlayStation, Apple ID, and Google, Facebook, whatever you want. And as soon as you click on sign in, it will directly connect into your Discord account. And that's all we have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.